Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Roposo to Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now for this, I'll be covering this documentation on connecting external APIs because as far as I'm aware, Roposo doesn't have a direct connection or an implementation on Odoo, so this is what you're going to need to do. You can very easily connect external APIs, however, you do need to have a custom Odoo pricing plan since it's only available there. So I'll be going through this because I don't have such a pricing plan. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have an Odoo server installed. And if you already have it, you can just use its parameters. But other than that, you can log in to your instance with an admin account. Go to settings, users, and companies users. Then click on the user you want to use for XML and RPC access. Then click on action, change password and set a new password value, and then click change password, which is needed to use online instances for Odoo. And users are created without a local password, which you do need to connect these API keys or external API keys. Additionally, you can, of course, use Python, Ruby, PHP, or Java, pretty much whatever you would like to use. And then you just need to start the server by using these commands right here. Then you need to go and figure out where your API keys are located. You need to go to Roposo and copy an API key that you have, which you will then connect to Odoo in the Preferences tab. So once you're there, you just need to log in using your password and replacing the password by the key. And depending on modules or settings, these keys may require to perform may be required to perform web service operations. So keep that in mind. You will most likely need the API key for Roposo. And yeah, once you want to actually add a new key, go into preferences on your account, then go to account security and click on new API key, and then enter a description for your API key. And after that, just generate it and then copy the provided key. Then of course you should store this key carefully, and once you have the keys configured on your account, they will appear above the new API key button in a list such as this. And yeah, you can create an API key there and implement a Roposo through that. However, if you delete it in the future, they can't be undeleted or reset. You'll need to generate a new key for that. And then it'll work again in case you want to reinstall it. But yeah, you can also test the database by using these commands here in Python, these for Ruby, these for PHP, and these for Java, and that should be it. And after that, the rest is just up to logging in, calling methods for your integration with Roposo, and that's pretty much it. Now you can search the App Store on Odoo to see if there is any Roposo integration. As far as I'm aware, I've searched for it. I couldn't find it yet. However, it might arise in the future, so I would recommend you use that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Just connect it through an API key and you're good. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.